What if the vegetables you eat thinking are healthy are actually quietly overloading your kidneys? Watch closely, one of these might be on your plate right now. Your kidneys rarely complain, but when they are under stress, damage can happen silently. Today, Lines reveal 5 common vegetables that can quietly harm your kidneys if eaten excessively or in concentrated forms. Understanding these risks could protect your kidneys for years. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is known for its nutrients, but it is also one of the highest oxalate-containing vegetables. Oxalates bind with calcium inside the body, forming tiny crystals that move through the kidneys. These crystals irritate the delicate tubules and gradually reduce filtration efficiency. The kidney doesn't show symptoms early on, so people consuming spinach daily, especially raw in salads or blended into smoothies, may unknowingly increase their oxalate load far beyond what the kidneys can handle. Since raw spinach contains more active oxalates, regular large servings can slowly build up inside the kidneys, creating long-term stress. Even though spinach offers benefits, the high oxalate concentration makes it a silent strain when consumed in frequent or concentrated form, making moderation important for kidney comfort. Number 2. Beetroot. Beetroot is widely consumed for improving circulation, but it also contains significant oxalates. What makes beets particularly stressful is how they are commonly consumed today as juices, powders, smoothies, and roasted bowls, all of which deliver oxalates in higher concentration than the kidneys can comfortably process. As these oxalates travel through the kidneys, they contribute to crystal formation and increase oxidative stress. This means the kidneys must work harder to filter the compounds, even though there are no immediate symptoms. The pigments in beets also require filtration, adding extra workload, especially when intake is frequent. Over time, excessive beet consumption can gradually weaken filtration efficiency and increase susceptibility to inflammation and stone formation. Number 3. Potatoes. Potatoes, including sweet potatoes, are very high in potassium. While potassium is essential for muscle and nerve function, too much of it places immediate pressure on the kidneys, which must maintain a delicate electrolyte balance at all times. If potatoes are consumed in large or repeated servings throughout the week, the kidneys must constantly adjust blood potassium levels. This silent, continuous workload can stress the filtration system. Even for people with normal kidneys, excessive high potassium foods can create pressure if the diet lacks variety or includes frequent large portions. Since potatoes appear in many forms, mashed, baked, boiled, fried, and processed, many people unknowingly take in more potassium than their kidneys can comfortably regulate, making potatoes a hidden source of renal strain when overconsumed. Number 4. Rhubarb. Rhubarb contains one of the highest oxalate concentrations among all vegetables. These oxalates bind with calcium to form sharp crystals that move through the kidneys. Because the oxalate level in rhubarb is extremely high, even a small serving can create a significant spike in oxalate load. Unlike other vegetables where buildup is slow, rhubarb's oxalate surge can be more immediate and intense, forcing the kidneys to filter a large volume of crystal-forming compounds in a short time. This can irritate kidney tissues, reduce filtration efficiency, and place sudden pressure on the renal system. Regular intake, especially combined with other oxalate-rich foods, can increase long-term crystal accumulation and make kidney stones more likely to form. Number 5. Swiss chard. Swiss chard contains both high oxalates and high potassium, making it a challenging vegetable for kidney function. A single cooked cup can deliver a substantial potassium load along with oxalates that contribute to crystal formation. This combination forces the kidneys to handle two demanding tasks at once, balancing electrolytes and filtering crystal-forming compounds. When Swiss chard is consumed frequently, especially sautéed, juiced, or blended, the concentration of these compounds increases even more. Over time, this dual pressure can weaken filtration capacity, promote irritation, and create conditions that support stone formation or long-term renal stress. Because many people consider Swiss chard a healthy vegetable, they may unknowingly consume amounts that exceed what the kidneys can comfortably manage. The kidneys do not usually produce early warning signs. Damage from these vegetables can accumulate slowly over months or years before any symptoms appear, making regular monitoring and awareness critical. Protect your kidneys by being aware of what you eat.